Good morning, everyone. Today I'd like to show you an activity that I love, an activity that I found in the book by Jamie Cady, Video Telling. This activity is just an example of the many ways in which we can use the internet and all the sources that the internet provides to learn a language. I love this activity because it involves the use of pictures, and it's always easier when we practice a language to describe a situation if we can have a visual reference. This activity is centered around a video. But before showing you the video, the whole video, so that you can actually know what the story is about, I'm going to show you some still images taken from the video itself. And I will ask you to pause during these still images and reply to some of the questions that I will ask you. Let's do the activity in Italian, but of course it's an activity that you can do in any language that you like. Let's start. Here we are, ready to start. Now my suggestion to do this activity is that you first listen to the questions, then pause the video, reply to the questions, and then resume the video. All clear? Let's start. First picture. Che cosa vedi? Di chi è questa mano? Cosa sta facendo? Dove si trova? Next. Chi è quest'uomo? Dove si trova? In che stanza? Cosa sta facendo? Come si chiama? Che giorno della settimana è? Dov'è questa donna? In che stanza? Cosa pensi che stia facendo? Diamole un nome. Come si chiama? Qual è la sua relazione con l'uomo? La donna è uscita dalla cucina. Che oggetto vedi in primo piano? Ora si vede che è un vaso. Cosa c'è che non va? Cosa dice la donna all'uomo? Qual è il suo umore? E adesso cosa dice la donna? Che cosa risponde l'uomo? Now, before I leave you, I'd like to ask you one final question. How do you think the story will develop? Can you imagine? This is a wonderful activity to do by yourself or with a teacher, especially with a teacher, I think, because the teacher can provide you with some colloquial expressions that we use every day. Expressions like lasciami stare, leave me alone, or non sono stato io, it wasn't me. These expressions are generally not included in language courses. Well, I really hope you like this activity. If you want to know how the story actually ends, you can click on the link below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like my Facebook page and the video itself. Thank you very much and arrivederci.